The iconic AMG badge has been around for many years and existed in many forms. This symbol of German muscle has become a mainstay in the life catalog of performance vehicles. Often misplaced and on today's vehicles' overused presence may have weakened its status, but the old cars are still out here, truly representing AMG, and for now, keeping this icon alive. As AMG moves towards electrification and abandons the support base of those who seek the explosive sound of their engines, will they survive? Many months ago, an astute viewer noticed the badge on my W210 E55 as being incorrect per the car's generation. Well, I have finally fixed it, and while I was at it, I also replaced the knockoff C55 badge as well with a genuine piece. It was easy to remove the old one with a heat gun and also remove the sticky tape strips. This was also a great time to clean the surface underneath. For those of you who may not know, the A and M are for the partners Hans Werner Alfresch and Erhard Melchior, and the G is for Großbach, which was Alfresch's birthplace, and AMG, pronounced in German, is AMG. I added this tape on the sides and below to mark its old positioning, and then used my W211 E55 badge as a template for measuring the gap. After a few tries, I got it right, and it prompted me to do a little trick to clean around the other badges. A simple ear cleaning Q-tip, broken in half and stuck into the end of a drill, and a little bit of polishing compound works wonders. I applied nearly zero pressure as I wouldn't want to break the tip and run the chuck into the badges, but I have found this works for badging on most cars. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye for now.